Hey y'all, welcome to your newest listing. We're right here in Brownsburg, Indiana. My name's Landon.buesching. I'm your local listing specialist. The address of this property is 713 Summersby Lane, right here in Brownsburg, Indiana. I'm really excited to show you this great property. Come on, let's go.
So the kitchen in this home is absolutely gorgeous, as you guys can see. One of my favorite things is that it opens up to the living room, so you can keep that open space when you're entertaining people. And there's granite countertops, an insane amount of cabinet storage. There's a separate dining room, but my favorite part is this breakfast nook that's attached to the kitchen. Perfect size for a large round table and great entertaining space.
What I really appreciate about this property is its location. Brownsburg Schools, one of the top rated schools in the state. The neighborhood itself is established, a little bit different than getting, let's say, new construction. You're not gonna get the rich trees, the nice brick buildings. It's just something a little bit different. And if that's your jam, this is definitely the property for you.
Yeah, the mature trees are my favorite. How about Halloween? What do you think it's like?
Oh my gosh, like my little boy Palmer, he would love, he'd be running up and down and getting all kinds of candy.
Sure.
Great neighborhood for that.
My favorite part of this home is that the primary suite is on the main level. That's very popular nowadays. People are looking for that, and this home offers it. So that's one of my favorite things. That way you don't have to go up and down the stairs all the time. But it's a great property, great community, very close to all of Brownsburg's amenities.
Right.
So come check out what this home could be for you.
My contact name and number is, I'm Landon.buesching. My own phone number is 260-573-6316.
And I'm Samantha Lynch. My phone number is 317-502-8640.
You can find us online on magnolialanerealestateteam.com. I hope you
make it a great day.